Hello guys, if you just bought your Airtel 5G Smartbox device or you've been using one before but you don't know how to change your Wi-Fi name and password, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to secure your network by changing your password and also how to change your Wi-Fi name to your desired name. If this looks like what you're looking for, then pay attention to this video from the beginning to the end so you won't miss out. If this is your first time on this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join this community and enjoy more valuable content like this. So to get started, ensure you are connected to that network and then open your browser and go to 192.168.1.1. Alright, you can do this on your phone or on a PC just like this. So when you send that, you are going to come to this page. You are going to be taken to this page. Then you're going to see up there login, top right corner. So just click on that login. So if you have not changed your login yet, your login will be admin. All right, all in lowercase, admin like this, and then the password too will be admin, then login. So when you hit on that login button, you are going to see this page. So this has a lot of information about your network. So to the left, you are going to see Wi-Fi settings, and under the Wi-Fi settings, you're going to see 5G advanced Wi-Fi settings and normal 5G Wi-Fi settings. That is where we are interested in, not this advanced one. This one just has some information, but where we really want to work on is this 5G Wi-Fi settings. All right, so you can see this 5G optimization. I will turn it on because I want to merge the two networks. You can see if you just buy one, you see two networks there, and if you turn on the 5G optimization, it's going to turn the two different networks into one. Okay, under the SSID, you can just clean out what is there and then rename it to the network name you want. For me, I will just put Adega Family there. Then if you scroll down under the Wi-Fi password, just clean out the default password that is there and then go ahead and type whatever password you want to have on your network. So after typing the password you want to have on your network, then you can just scroll down and click on save. Ensure all the details are correct. So after clicking on save, your router is going to save that information, then restart. So after the restart, you are going to see the new name, okay, the new name you created, and then click on it and then enter the new password you created, just as I'm doing so. So once you do that, you're going to be connected to the new name you created. Okay, so after doing that, sometimes you may notice that the previous Wi-Fi is still showing, but don't worry, after a few seconds it's going to go off completely, and then the only network that will be left there will be the new one you created. You can see if you switch to this tab, you can see that the Wi-Fi name is the Wi-Fi name we created, the new Wi-Fi name. So everything looks very fine. So like I said earlier, after a few seconds, all you will have is the new Wi-Fi name you created. The other Wi-Fi names will go completely because you have merged the two and turned them into the single new Wi-Fi name. So I think that will be all with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.